सबकी सेम प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, चाहे मैं हूँ, चाहे आप हो, even with my daughters, there's my mom, you, your daughters, your friends, we all have the same problem. We all have the same problem right now. बाल ये वाले तो हैं ही, पर ये और टांगे, we are all learning to embrace our fur, but at the same time, with the lockdown getting over, it's also easy to now order on Amazon. And when it's easier, this is not a sponsored video, neither by Amazon nor by the product that I'm going to show you. So one of my favorite things One of my most convenient way to remove hair is to use wax at home. It comes as a heater which you can order off Amazon. I'm going to be giving the link in the description below. So this gets connected to an electrical port. The wire comes along with it. You plug it in and you load it up. The wax comes in containers like these. So this I think is aloe. I load it up. Boom. And it takes about 20 minutes to 30 minutes to heat up, like really nicely heat up. You need to apply it in the direction of your hair. So for the arms, the hair kind of grows like this. So you apply it like that. And over here, you can go straight. On your legs, you just go straight. And put in a strip. Now, if you don't have the strips available to you, though those are also available on Amazon, you can also use thick cotton cloth which you have at home. You just need to make sure that it's clean and that there are no frayed threads at the end of it. So you apply the Rika wax along the direction of your hair, smoothen out the strip on it and pull it against the hair growth. And presto, you are done. Make sure the strip is being ironed along the hair growth and you pull it out in one quick jerk. Put the wax along the hair growth. It comes out very evenly and thin, and the temperature is not hot at all. Iron out the strip along the hair growth and pull against the hair growth. Now, Rika wax costs you almost about what, 2200 or 2300 or maybe 1600. I haven't gone to a salon for a Rika wax in 10 years. So, but at home, this cartridge costs you about 250 bucks. And this cartridge will give you almost 4 times full arms, full legs and underarms. So that means you're spending what? About 50 bucks a wax, a full arm, full hands, underarm wax. How does it make sense to go to a salon ever again? Now, post the wax, to clean up the area, you need to use an oil to clean out the stickiness. You can use almond oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use jojoba oil, in fact any oil, just any body oil. You can use that and rub it all over your arms and legs or wherever you use the wax. And that's it, the entire stickiness is gone. Post that, you can do a regular soap and water wash and you're all set. Shiny, glowy. Thank me later. Alligator. Thank me later, girls.